I think yes. Yes, I think all set na lahat.
Really?
So, nung last time, yung Ambisyosa, dun, yun yung first major concert ng GeForce Angels. Dun kami parang nabuo, ganyan. Tapos yung experience sobrang sarap kasi parang siyang break sa amin. Kasi, kumbaga, kung natupad yung dreams ni Anne, ganyan-ganyan. Parang natupad din yung dreams namin kasi nakapag-travel kami, ganyan. Sa provincial, tapos international. Tapos, yun, after 2 years, kasama pa rin kami. Tapos, yan, GeForce Angels pa din. Yes.
Anne was getting the hang of using the harness after several practice sessions with it. With the support of her backup dancers, Anne gained more and more confidence in dancing and twirling in the air. It looked easy, but the concert sweetheart surely packed a lot of guts and fierceness to actually push through with this very jaw-dropping performance.
Try mag-experiment kami ng mga pwedeng gawin, ng stunts for the prod ni Anne, ganyan-ganyan, sa concert. Yun, medyo ano siya, medyo hard kasi wala masyadong safety pero kaya magta-tries para yun.
Since Anne's second major solo concert was dubbed as Anne Kapal, she's definitely pulling out all the stops in her production numbers.
Ambisyosa, last concert ni Anne. Na-miss namin yung mga taong nanood noon kasi first time ni Anne na kumanta sa Araneta, 'di ba? So wala lang, nakaka-miss lang. Kailangan ma-feel ulit namin ngayon yung kailangan lagpasan namin yung nafi-feel ng tao noon. Expectation nila sa amin.